Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I will show you how you can connect Huawei wireless earbuds, the AM61. So at the first you have to be sure that those earphones are turned off, and you can spot it by looking on the indicator. If they are turned off, you have to click and hold this middle button. Let's make it. When this indicator starts blinking on the blue and the red color, we can release that key. It means that AM61 are in the pairing mode. Right now, let's go for the Bluetooth settings on our Zenfone. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and when this earbuds pops here, you have to tap on them once. Click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.